can't survive a season of strenuous racing. Not without a proper service it won't. This is Swift Street, let's go. Today, I'm giving the Swift a proper service just to breathe some life back into it. Nothing crazy, just the basics. I'm going to do some oil, spark plugs and filters. Let's get into it. I'm under the car draining the oil. I don't actually know when it was last done, so this is more for peace of mind than anything else. Now that the oil's finished draining, it's time to replace the filter. Okay, now that the filter's done, it's time to head back up top. The oil's going in, it takes about 4 litres. After a quick start to prime the filter, we shut it down again and check the level, and we're spot on. Next up, spark plugs. After a bit of disassembly, we can remove the spark plugs. My tools aren't great for this, but we'll make it work. Now with all 4 spark plugs replaced, it's time to put everything back together again and install a new air filter. Alright, now it's time for the exciting part. I'm installing a K&N Air Filter, which should give me better flow and hopefully more power, but we'll see. The service is done, the car's back together. I've been for a test drive, the car ran perfectly. I mean, don't get me wrong, it blew a whole heap of smoke when I first turned it on, but that cleared up pretty quick, so there's no problems. In the next episode, I'm going to continue showing the car some love, giving it a wash and a detail. And that just about does it for this one. My name's Josh, this is Swift Street, and thank you for watching.